CCE is a landmark innovation. It is like an iceberg. Examination reforms is actually the tip of the iceberg. We must unravel the mystery of the remaining 90%. Did you realize when we sing ourselves, we think much more creatively about the tune, about rhythm, than when we sit and listen to a music concert. Similarly, a student thinks much more actively and creatively when he or she is engaged in learning tasks rather than listening to a lecture. The formative evaluation demands active participation of students into a series of learning activities. Thereby, CCE is trying to cultivate a thinking mind among the students. For me, the most important component of innovation in CCE is the life skills. If you carefully study the life skills and a few co-curricular skills in the CCE matches fully well with employability skill. And remember, employability skill make direct contribution to national economic growth. By introduction of the life skills, CCE is laying down the foundation of development of employability skill, which can significantly change the pattern of national economic growth and India's national development. CCE also deals with attitudes and values. Under attitudes is the attitude towards institution and environment. Education in fundamental duties is the subject of value development. By introducing attitudes and values, CCE is cultivating citizenship education. Average Indian do not have hobbies, whereas hobbies enrich our life. If you put all this together, CCE can nurture thinking minds, hobbies, citizenship education, and employability skill. In other words, CCE is likely to create a new generation of Indian citizenship. But remember, all these possibilities are hidden in the implementation of the CCE, which requires high quality training of principals and teachers.
It is necessary to establish some kind of standardization in both the content of CCE and the quality of training. Implementers in the school must know why CCE. What is CCE? What is scholastic, co-scholastic, and co-curricular? And what are the differences among them? What is the real meaning of formative and summative assessment? And why both are needed? What really are life skills? What are the psychological constructs of creative and critical thinking, empathy, attitudes, values, interpersonal relations, emotional management, and so on? What are literary skills, scientific skills, organizational skills? How are they different from aptitudes? Why should the students participate in music, sports, games, art, and painting? What are the differences between teacher-made tests and standardized tests? What are the techniques of data gathering, verification, and analysis? What are some of the skills required by the teachers? How to document episodes? How to design assignments and situations for the students to display their knowledge, skill, and aptitudes in scholastic and co-scholastic areas? how to construct MCQs and scholastic tests, identifying, selecting and administering standardized tests, how to identify and use free online tests and create site graphs of students, how to gather, verify and archive data, how to generate student report cards, give feedback to students for mentoring, and feedback to parents to develop parent-teacher partnership for optimal development of students. And who will train such a large number of teachers? And how would the quality of training be assured? For quality assurance, the trainers need to be well versed in measurement and evaluation, experienced in research, practitioners of andragogy and technagogy, instructional and training design, and program evaluation and impact assessment. Where would CBSE find such quality trainers?
Well, there are just limited choices when it comes to teacher training. Face-to-face, they are expensive, and we do not have a large pool of thousands of qualified and capable trainers who can train our millions of teachers. Cascading is known to have a loss of quality with every level of cascading. Online courses are very expensive and require individual access to technology.
The multimedia course comprises interactive video, printed training manual, reinforcement reading, and online support. Interactive multimedia course comprises 10 video modules. The multimedia course carries an online CCE test for teachers. They can take the test and get certified after fulfilling the requisite criteria.
Multimedia captures the best of experts and ensures quality. Because it's technology-based, it brings in the aspect of standardization, a uniformity in content and communication.
ETMA is a non-profit trust set up and run by distinguished academicians from universities, IITs and IIMs, and schools. As a research organization, its mission is pioneering research-based innovations for quality improvement in education. ETMA, especially Professor Marmar Mukhopadhyay, has been associated with many major projects with CBSE and other organizations including state governments. The interactive multimedia course produced by the experts in ETMA is of high quality. Through multimedia, there will be no quality loss in the messages desired to be sent by the CBSE. Also, because of technology media, content and communication will be uniform. This technology-mediated teacher training drastically reduces cost of training to less than 20% of cost of face-to-face training. Multimedia offers flexibility. Whenever CBSE decides to change or modify CCE, multimedia package can add or alter a module at minimal cost.